I'm joined by 𝘸𝘀𝘀𝑗𝑎 for a little hair and makeup tutorial.
The
What's
shapes.
this? What's this?
A cylinder.
No, what is it?
Bro, a cylinder. I know. You don't know what a cylinder is? This is the same person remix.
How is it remixed? Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I'm Divine Mix, and today I'm joined by 𝘸𝘀𝘀𝑗𝑎 for a little hair and makeup tutorial. Hey 𝘸𝘀𝘀𝑗𝑎, how are you?
Yow! Straight from the islands. Well, go on.
So you want to walk us through this tutorial today?
Of course. So now, as per usual, we start off by moisturizing our weave.
It's real hair.
ladies, there's no need to lie. It's 2025. Anyhow, right? As we upholster our wig, next thing we do, we get out our steam cleaner. As you know, ladies,
It's
this
a
diffuser.
brush
Ma'am,
and
I am
water.
speaking. All right, we are
But it's just
diffusing
a
our
brush
hair.
and water.
Who are you gonna believe? Who are you gonna believe?
Me.
Who are you gonna believe?
Me.
No, ladies. Who are you gonna believe? All right, okay, all right, then no problem. So we're working through this now.
We're just brushing our hair.
Listen, lady, I can see the silkiness and smoothness that you're working, the product of which is being worked in.
It's only water.
Ma'am, the product of love and affection.
Of love and affection.
Love and affection. I used to brush my dog like this.
Did you really?
Yes, I did. Silky and smooth, just like you. No baby hairs, though. Was more like a puppy.
So, what do we do after this?
Hope for the best, and the Lord giveth and he taketh away.
No, we're just gonna grab a comb.
Right, just so we can put the part in her hair.
Yeah.
Just like how she used to be a part of my life.
This is this is a Valentine's Day hairstyle tutorial.
So we're getting just like when she left.
Oh my god. I'm still here.
Ma'am, who are you? Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a chance.
So right now we're just trying to part the front hair away from the back hair because that's what we're gonna work with. You know, it's really hard to part your own hair sometimes. So this is as close as I got it. And then I'm going to just brush out the back.
I like this hairstyle. I like where we're going with this.
This is not a hairstyle.
I like how it drapes across the face. Oh, no, I had left.
Right? And to make it easier for ourselves, I'm just doing a center part right here. But what we're going to eventually do is put a heart in our hair.
Look at her ancestry coming out now. Those lines look straight.
Oh my god.
You're getting Sunday off.
Anyways.
In the name of the Lord.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to split up a little part of it so that way we can...
Okay, now, right. We're putting all of our ducks in a row. And I'm not going to lie, this girl looks like somebody who would have ducks that would follow her.
You know what? I realized we're not even putting hearts in our hair. We're just doing rows. I completely forgot.
Right, back to what I was saying. So, right, doesn't this lady look like somebody who would have ducks following her?
No.
And then make a Peking duck?
No.
At the same time?
No.
Let's all be real here.
Anyways, we're going to take our edge control to hold things in place, and we're just going to braid everything back. Do you get me?
Yeah, I get you. That's how you braid the duck.
Oh my god.
You're doing so well. I don't know what you're doing, but it looks so good so far.
All I did was brush my hair and part it.
Wow, man, that's more than my hair routine.
What is your hair routine, 𝘸𝘀𝘀𝑗𝑎?
Wake up.
Really? That's it?
Wake up. And then pray to the Lord that something can happen on the way to the bathroom. When I take off this body, what am I going to find?
Okay, so we're doing 3 on each side.
All right, for those with larger heads, we might have to go 4 on each side. I can speak from personal experience. The circumference of my head is about twice that of Divine Mix.
Really? Wow,
yes.
You have a big head.
And in this moment, this is when 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 left the room and thought about his life and why he should return to this podcast.
Anyways, look, see, I'm getting the braids done as fast as I can. So that
Just
way.
like 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 is done. Done with his life. Done with this podcast. Done with his friends. Done with his family.
Anyways, so now from here, we're going to repeat the same thing. I think I got better at braiding, don't you think?
Most definitely. And it insults. 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 is still not here.
Anyways, I'm parting everything out to make it a bit easier for me to braid and keep the hair out of the way.
Thus has 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 departed.
When is 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 coming back?
When he gets an apology.
I'm sorry.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦. Remember, hit the smash, like, and subscribe button.
This is honestly, I think this was the longest part of my hair for me.
Or was it that I was gone for that long and you realized
No.
just how long it's been?
No, it's literally, because
So you didn't miss me. That's what you're trying to say.
Just a
At
little
this
bit.
moment, 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 then again departed once more for the mountains to never be heard from ever again.
What's going
unless
on?
He got an apology.
You already got an apology. This is the longest part of the hairstyle tutorial, though. Just braiding.
Hey, 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 here. I came back because I'm a bigger person. In fact, I'll apologize. I'm sorry.
What do you think of the hairstyle so far?
I think it's giving me Angelina Jolie vibes from It's Gone in 60 Seconds. I'm loving it. She needs to dye blonde.
Blonde's hard. You gotta, like...
Tomb Raider was hard. Brad Pitt's life with her was hard.
That's true. Anyways,
Ladies,
so
do it for Angelina. Highlights for Angelina.
Anyways, once we have everything braided, the rest we're going to just... See, look, it looks really, really nice, don't you think?
Absolutely. We're going to give this one a fantastic braiding skills. Because before, she couldn't do a goddamn thing.
I couldn't. I got better. You know, the more you
advanced
practice...
so much, yes.
Yeah, the more you practice, the better you get. But with this, all I'm going to do is just brush it out. What do you think I'm doing?
I know I can start singing the song. Make me swim.
No, look. What am I using?
You're using a comb, a brush, a diffuser, a tool of some sort, a heat brush.
A heat brush, kind of. Yeah, it's to straighten my hair a bit.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, I was testing you. Eventually, you all find the answer if you just keep on trying. Never give up.
Never give up. We're still turning our nots into yeses.
All 2025.
Do you know why we're doing our hair first before the makeup?
𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 then again left the room. How dare she embarrass him on commentary? He awaits an explanation.
So apparently sometimes it's better to do your hair before your makeup because if you're using heat tools, the heat could cause the makeup to melt away faster.
At this point, ladies, why don't you just wear a mask when you head out? That way, men don't bother you, and your hair will be the only thing you'd have to do.
You know, I've heard of some people who put on like silicone face products like for special effects and go out.
And yet, 𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 found what he was going to be doing today.
What prosthetic would you put on?
I once knows like service Snape. He was a good father. Or I could go for the piccolo turban, you heard? That's repping from the people. We all know the 𝑚𝑒𝑘𝑖Ns are black. We all need to know this. Remember, February is next month, ladies and gentlemen. We repping for the 𝑚𝑒𝑘𝑖Ns. They got a new home. They put them out the projects.
Anyways, right? Do you know what I'm putting in my hair after I blow it straight?
𝘸𝘀𝘧𝑦 once again left. How dare she asking these questions?
And
He wasn't prepared. He didn't know that he needed to study these things, but he's going to predict some kind of oil.
Yes. I put in like a rosemary avocado oil because my hair is low porosity.
Bourgeois. Bourgeois. Bourgeois.
No, because look, right?
No need to hype.
My hair is low porosity, so avocado oil is good for that. And then after that...
I don't think your hair is poor. I think it's just going through a financial situation.
No, low porosity. But when I put because we're in a humid place, so when I put the avocado oil, rosemary infused avocado oil in my hair, it feels.
First of all, just say oil. You said like 13 words.
It's a rosemary infused avocado oil.
That sounds delicious, and it should be sold at Subway.
Anyways, because once I put that in, it actually keeps the humidity in the air from causing my hair to frizz. So you see how it's staying straight for the most part?
Yes, putting on ears for all your friends in Greenwich, Connecticut with your...
I'm not from Greenwich, Connecticut.
Sorry, buffalo rosemary scented oil that goes on chicken wings. You're unsure why it's in your hair, but it looks amazing.
You know, you probably can put it on chicken wings. Anyways, I'm putting my hair up so that way we can finally get to the makeup part. What do you think we got to do first for makeup? What's that?
The first thing I would have to do, women need to start apologizing more.
For what?
So you can be able to make up. Men are always apologizing. Even when we're right, we're wrong.
Anyway, what's that?
I don't know. Honey mustard to go over the wings?
Sure. So
bronzer.
No,
toner.
It's not bronzer.
Macadamia nuts. I don't know. It was brown. We liked it.
It was beige.
It seems that this woman has taken a vacation while we looked away. Quite the tan we have.
Okay, so what's this?
Moulin Rouge. Get your eyeshadow.
Yes.
Oh.
No, well, technically it's bronzer, but we're using it as eyeshadow here to warm up the eyes.
Usually to warm up the eyes, I would watch out. Oh, sorry. What was that?
What's that?
Mascara.
It's for the brows.
Brow filler. A Sharpie. A pencil kit. Eyebrow pencil.
And what about this?
A rook.
From chest.
A removable rook. A rook in 2 parts.
What about this?
A hexagon.
But what's in the hexagon?
6 sides. I don't know why you trying to test me, bro. I know my geometrical
okay, so
shapes.
What's this?
A cylinder.
No, what is it?
Bro, a cylinder. I know. You don't know what a cylinder is? You don't know what a cylinder is?
I know.
You don't know what a cylinder is?
I know.
Tell you don't know what a cylinder is.
Is.
Okay. All right. So I'm not incorrect. You're not incorrect. We both win. You see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make up.
So what are we gonna do next?
You kiss me so good, but you put them.
What's this?
Another cylinder. Divine mix. Oh, sorry. You got to go back.
No, it's okay. Keep going. I'll take it out.
A blue cylinder, a periwinkle cylinder. This is a beautiful cylinder. This is a palette. And now it's a rectangle.
It is a palette.
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
How'd you know?
How'd I know?
And I'm putting it on the under
How
eye.
have you know I'm quite palatable?
So
I've been told that I'm quite palatable.
I'm putting the colored eyeshadow on the under eye to give us a little pop of color.
There's too much color going on already.
There's only one color
there's
there.
so much going on. You have all these plants in the back, the green. Everything should be black like me.
Anyways, now we're taking black.
A black cylinder that draws a Sharpie. And what we're doing here, we're applying wings.
Yes. Yes, we are.
Right.
You learned something.
That's right.
Your short-term memory doesn't learn.
Ma'am, there's no need to put all my business onto the internet. So anyhow.
And then we're just smudging out the eyeliner on the bottom so it all goes into the wing.
And we can attract those E-boys.
Those what?
Those E-boys.
The E-boys?
The E-boys who wear the black leather pants.
And now what are we putting on?
Court makeup.
Court makeup?
Yes, court makeup.
What is court makeup?
When you powder yourself before you go on the jury.
Do you think this is powder?
I would assume so.
What about it seems like powder?
It reminds me of my past.
And look, what's this? What's this?
A curling rod. An eyebrow curler.
That's your eyebrow.
Oh,
How is that your eyebrow?
An eyelash curler.
Yes.
There we go.
But you know what? That one, it's one I just got. It warms up. Because I have Asian lashes, so they go straight. So I use the one that heats up, so that way it curls my lashes.
And Asians don't believe you can't curve because she can't curve.
What?
There's no such thing as an Asian traits. You can do it. I believe in you all. If you want your eyelashes curled, just believe. Just believe.
How does that work? Okay, what's this? What am I doing?
Manifesting. Summoning the sun god. I know the rituals.
And now this? You know what this is.
Contouring.
And?
Getting ready for the pageant.
Okay, this, you definitely know this.
Marshmallows.
How is that marshmallows? You just said it before.
I don't know. I just started saying things I was thinking of.
You were what about this made you think of marshmallows? And we're going in for a second mascara.
I was looking at the long stick and I was saying a marshmallow would look good on the end of it.
Okay, what are we doing now?
And it was shaped like a cylinder. Anyhow, as you say, we are highlighting our lips and applying lipstick on top of our lipstick. That was other lipstick.
I guess it's close enough. So this is for the most part, majority of the makeup. We're almost done. We're just wiping off the powder off of our face.
Just like you have to sweep out your home every day, this is how you sweep off your crust at night. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.
You sweep off crust at night?
Don't we? Doesn't everybody? Everybody tell me I'm okay. Put it down in the comments.
Now I'm going to just get some blush from this eyeshadow palette. Start off with something redder. And I'm going for more apples instead of just sweeping it to the back to make myself look a little bit softer.
I mean, this whole outlook is soft. I couldn't wear this face. I would look soft too.
What do you mean you couldn't wear this?
I couldn't wear this face. Look, you look like a doll.
No, you know that's because I do my makeup a certain way. I always make my cheeks kind of red and then my nose. And if I bring it to the top as well, it just adds a lot of color to my face.
And I really like how this all turned out because it bounced back out and we've come full circle.
What's this?
This is a solidifying mask, a toner, a something.
And now what are we doing?
It freezes the mask in place. That's what it does. It chillax it.
It chillax it.
It chillax it.
It's a chillaxer.
It's a chillaxer. And we've come full circle now. I look the same as when I started, but my cheeks are redder.
No, you can see a whole bunch of difference, right?
Yes, of course we can.
See, and now my hair is straighter. Well, it got curly because of the scrunchie, but my hair is straighter. The braids are in.
This is the same person remix.
How is it remixed?
Same person remix. Like Sprite remix. It's Sprite, but you can taste that there's a remix, right? You've had that before.
No.
You never had Sprite remix?
How does a remix taste?
Like they threw 2 Skittles at the bottom.
Well, what do you think of the makeup and the hair?
I give it a 9.3 out of 10 because she is fine.
But why is it 9.3? What about the remaining 0.7?
Ma'am, there's a scale here. There's a scale here. Respect the scale.
Anyway,
put it up on
bye.
Put it up. Put it up. Where's my score? Put it in the center.